Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling ingredients and tools so nothing halts momentum. Mix 2 cups rice flour with 1/2 cup sugar and 1 tsp yeast in a bowl. Add 1 cup warm water slowly while whisking to avoid lumps. Once the batter is smooth, cover and let it rest for 20-30 minutes to activate fermentation. This gives Bing Hululu its airy texture. While it rests, set up a steamer and oil molds lightly so the cakes release cleanly when cooked. You now focus on the middle phase where texture is made. Pour batter into molds 3/4 full and tap gently to remove big bubbles. This prevents tunnels. Keep the steamer at 95-100 degrees C, too hot and surfaces crack, too cool and they collapse. Steam each batch 12-15 minutes, start checking at 10 minutes with a toothpick. It should come out with tiny moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once done, let cakes sit in the closed steamer for 2 minutes to stabilize. You finish by cooling and finishing the Bing Hululu for serving. Cool the molds 5 minutes before inverting so they hold shape. Brush with a light sugar syrup if you want shine and slight stickiness. Store cakes airtight for 24-48 hours or refresh by re-steaming 3-4 minutes. If a batch collapses, troubleshoot. Likely overproofing, uneven steam, or too high heat. Reduce proof time, maintain steady 95-100 degrees C steam, and ensure gentle batter handling to preserve structure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.